Hello, good morning. Today we're going to be performing the submaximal testing, and my participant is Michael Mendoza. Before the submaximal test for the 1 mile walk begins, the participant should warm up for 5 to 10 minutes and wear good walking shoes and loose fit clothing. Equipment that will be used is an indoor or outdoor 400-meter track, paper and pencil, calculator, and a heart rate monitor is optional. This test is for sedentary men and women with their age ranging from 20 to 69 years old. To administer the walking test, instruct the participant to walk 1 mile as quickly as possible. After finishing, immediately follow by taking their heart rate, counting their pulse for 15 seconds, and multiplying by 4. Prior to the 1 mile jogging test, the participant should warm up for 2 to 3 minutes. To administer the 1 mile jogging test, instruct the participant to choose a comfortable, moderate jogging pace and measure their heart rate immediately following the test. The elapsed time for the 1 mile should be at least 8 minutes for males and 9 minutes for females. The post-exercise heart rate should not exceed 180 beats per minute. After your participant has finished the 1 mile submaximal walking and jogging test, have your participant measure their post-exercise heart rate using the palpation technique on the radial or carotid artery. Count their pulse for 15 seconds and multiply by 4 to obtain their heart rate value. Once the participant's time has been measured for the 1 mile jogging and walking test, you can then estimate the participant's VO2 max using the prediction equation. For the 1 mile walk equation, you will plug in values for the participant's body weight in pounds, age in years, gender, time it took to finish the 1 mile walk, and participant's post-exercise heart rate. For the 1 mile jog, you will plug in values for the participant's body weight in kilograms, elapsed time, post-exercise heart rate, and the participant's gender. For the 1 mile walk equation, before you can insert a value for the elapsed time in minutes, it must be converted into a decimal. In this case, the participant had an elapsed time of 17 minutes and 30 seconds. To convert to a decimal, you will then divide 30 by 60 to gain a value of 17.5 tenths. To obtain the participant's post-exercise heart rate value, you will count the beats per minute for 15 seconds and multiply by 4. The value for gender is also given. If you have a male participant, you will plug in 1, and a female participant, you will plug in 0. In this case, the participant was a male, so the value of 1 will be inserted. Once all values have been inserted correctly, you will then use the order of operations to obtain the participant's VO2 max. For the 1 mile jogging equation, you will convert the participant's weight from pounds to kilograms. In this case, the participant is 170 pounds, which is converted to 77 and 110,000 kilograms. You will then convert the elapsed time to a decimal. The participant's elapsed time was 9 minutes and 25 seconds. So you will then divide 25 by 60, which will give you 0.416 thousandths, giving you a value of 9 and 416 thousandths for the time. To obtain the participant's heart rate value post-exercise, you will count the participant's beats per minute for 15 seconds and multiply by 4. Finally, for the gender of the participant, you will plug in a value of 1 for male and 0 for female. In this case, we have a male participant, so the value of 1 was inserted. Once all values have been converted correctly, You will use the order of operations to calculate the participant's VO2 max.